Today we are going to learn about computer shortcut keys. So in computer shortcut keys, we have many shortcut keys, but in that I am going to explain alphabets wise shortcut keys we have. And today on the board I have written some of the shortcut keys, not shortcut keys, I have written some of the alphabets. Through that we are writing which are the shortcut keys we are using for each alphabets. So let's here I have A to J have some alphabets here. So let us understand where are we using and what is the use of this shortcut keys and where we have to use. Let's go. So first one we have a control A. Control A we use for select all. Select all means, so whenever we have any data in computer, let's take example in MS Word, if you are selecting every data, means all the data if you want to select, what we do through the mouse we drag and select. But there is shortcut key we use, select all. If you use a shortcut key is control A, it selects all. So let us, and we have a second one called bold. So bold means we have a shortcut key is called control B, it is a bold. Bold means we are making a word with a thin. So that is the reason we are using bold. And then C means copy. Copy means making duplicate. D means delete. Delete means whenever you want to delete a file or any information, we use control D. Now we have shift D also, that we are using for permanent delete. So let us understand what is control D only, delete only. So E is for center alignment. Center alignment means in MS Word we have three alignments: right alignment, left alignment and center alignment. So control E is used for center alignment. So let us come for F. F means find. Find means what will happen in Excel or in MS Word, in PowerPoint, wherever the data when you have added. So when you have huge data, we are getting confused to find out the text what you want to find out. So at that time we have a shortcut key called find. So G means the data we want to find out into go. So we are using go to. That is go to. And we have H means replacing. We find a word and we want to replace it some other word. So we are using H for replace. And I means italic. Italic means the curved letter we use it sometimes. So that is shortcut key for control I for italic. The last one we have here, control J for justify. Justify is also kind of alignment in MS Word. Every MS Office we have. In MS Word, Excel, in PowerPoint. In MS Word we have an option called justify alignment. It is also kind of alignment. We use it for professionally. So this is all about today's shortcut keys. And thank you so much and have a good day.